Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add a pricing table to your Shopify website. It's gonna be completely free of charge without any credit card needed, and to get started I've added a link in the description that you need to follow, so do make sure to click that to follow along for this tutorial. This is just a quick example of what your pricing table could look like, but there's gonna be loads of different options and you'll be able to customize it exactly to your website and branding. And just to give you a quick idea, here are some other pricing table options that you could choose from. And all of these are, of course, fully customizable, so you can add your own images, descriptions, and more. Now, if you haven't already, the first thing you're going to do is to click the link in the description below. That's going to bring you to this website right here. And once you're on the website, go ahead and hover over widgets right here. And then down on the e-commerce down here, you can see that we have the pricing table right down here. So go ahead and click there. From here, click on this big pink button right here. That's going to bring us down to the template builder where we can start designing our widget. Now, the first step here is to choose a template that's close to what you're looking for. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be able to customize the design, layout, colors, and more later on if you want to match your branding or similar. Just go ahead and pick the one that's the closest to what you're looking for now. From here, you can go ahead and click on continue with this template down at the bottom left corner. That's going to bring us to this page, and the first thing we can do is go ahead and adjust the columns. So the columns is essentially the amount of pricing tables we're going to have displayed. As you can see right now, we have 3 different options, but if you want to have 4, you could go ahead and click on add column, and then you can go ahead and add all of your information down here. If you want to delete any of these options here, just go ahead and click on the 3 small dots right here and click on delete. Or if you like the general design of this, you can also go ahead and click on edit, and if you want, you can change all of the descriptions and images in here, as you can see. Aside from that, you can also go ahead and enable a multiple tables mode, as you can see right here. This is ideal for if you have, for example, monthly or yearly subscription options, then you can go ahead and give 2 different price points. And from here, just go ahead and add all of the information down in the different tables. And right down here, we can go ahead and add a widget title. As you can see, we already have one that's called personal training pricing right here. You can go ahead and click on edit that, and you can also add a caption down here if you'd like. Next up, we have the appearance on the left-hand side. From here, you can go ahead and change what it should look like. So if you want something like a carousel instead, if you have way more than just free services or free price points, go ahead and choose something like the carousel. You can also do a comparison table, which is really convenient for if you want to compare it to different plans. And then you also have the classic table option. But go ahead and choose whatever's going to work best for your website. And if you scroll down a little bit, we have the column style right here. From there, you can go ahead and choose a different column style than what's selected right now, which is this option right here. And you can easily just go ahead and click on them to see the different options. And you can also scroll to the side, as you can see, as you have even more options. So you have 6 options in total to choose from. If you want to customize the colors of this, go ahead and click on primary color right here. And then if you want a different color background, go ahead and click on any of these colors right here. Or if you want a semi-transparent background, choose one of these options down here. And then you're going to have this kind of gray overlay on your website. So if you have an image as a background behind this, then you'll be able to see the image behind it. But I'm going to go ahead and stick with black. And the same thing goes for all the text color, which would be the secondary color. Go ahead and click here to change it. Lastly, if you want to fine-tune specific things, you can scroll down here, and then you can go ahead and adjust all of these different options here. For example, if you click on picture right here, you can go ahead and choose whether you want to show the picture, and you can also choose the aspect ratio. And if you want to change something like the button, go ahead and click on button, and from here you can go ahead and choose the corner radius. If you, for example, want something like a square button, go ahead and pick it right here. I'm going to stick with the rounded option. You can also go ahead and change the color of it again. But I'm not going to cover every single feature here. It's just to quickly show you the options. Anyways, once you're ready to add this to your website, go ahead and click on add to website for free down here. Now on your end, a pop-up is going to appear where you need to either log in or sign up to Elfsight if you don't already have an account. And once you've done that, you should end up on a similar page as to what I'm showing on my screen in just a second. Just like this. And this is essentially the exact same template builder. So if you're done customizing your widget, you don't need to do anything here. Simply go up in the top right corner right here and click on the big green publish button. That's going to bring us to this page right here. And like I mentioned at the start of the video, this is completely free of charge. So go ahead and select the $0 a month option on the very left hand side by clicking this gray select button. And from here, go ahead and click on copy code right here. And now it's time to head back to our Shopify website. Now, adding this widget to your Shopify website is really easy. Simply scroll down to where you want to add the widget, or go to the page where you want to add the widget to first, and then scroll down and figure out where you want to add it. And from here, go ahead on the left-hand side and click on Add Section, and then simply scroll down onto the layout right here and click on Custom Liquid right underneath. That's going to open up the sidebar on the right hand side right here where it says liquid code, and just go ahead and click down here. And now we need to insert the code we just copied from Elf's side. You can do that by clicking Ctrl V on your keyboard or right clicking and clicking on paste. And as you can see when we scroll down, we now have a pricing table widget on our Shopify website. To save this, simply go ahead and click on save up here, and then it's going to get published to your Shopify website. I hope you found this video helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.